we are going to be doing some flat embroidery as well as some puff embroidery on these hats. So it's going to do flat first, and then it's going to put a stop. That way I can put my phone and then continue with the phone puff part. Just adjust my presser foot. I'm over here on the computer right now changing my active feed and speed 700. Now I'm gonna put the presser foot all the way up on all three and lay down my phone. So I got 2 more hats to do, and I'm done with this order. Then we're off to the next order, which is 100 hats, and it's going to be this design. This one right here. Got to do 100 of those. So let's get back to work. Tired. I'm hungry. All right, got a needle break. Now it happens, of course, and mine happened right here at the bottom, right about here. But I'm sure it is the needle. I've been running these machines for a while, and I don't think I changed the needle for number 11. So let's go ahead and do that right now. $75 RG is what I use. RG stands for sharp. And I use a 75 needle. let's go ahead and rehoop our hat. Well, not rehoop, but put it back into the machine. Let's go back a few stitches. I think I need to change the bobbin as well. Should have double checked that earlier. Yup, bobbin's out. Now we gotta go back again. Because it wasn't covering. It's ready, it's good to go. Everything is running. Here's the rubber. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I'll say it right now. It is 11 o'clock at night. I started working around 10 in the morning. No, about 11 in the morning. You know, and take some breaks here and there. But just to recap, the first order was God's Boxes, which was 24 hats. Those are done. Then the second order was the JH Homes. That one was 16 hats. Then I'm working on the 100 hat order, but I had to make a stop on these because I had to complete these right here. We've got like maybe 15 jackets that we got to do. And then I got a one-off that I'm working on right now. And then the arm sleeves. So yeah, I think I'm going to clock out at 12. And then finish the rest tomorrow in the morning. I need a Red Bull. Right. I'll see you guys in a few.